Hi everyone, we are Vicky and Carl from the Hong Kong Urban Renewal Authority. First of all, we would like to show you a video which introduces the core business of the Hong Kong URA and our Urban Renewal Information System, URIS. Here is the gateway of our URIS portal. GIS has become an integral part of our business to help us better understanding the built environment. In this centralized platform, more than 20 applications have been developed to empower our business unit to assemble spatial data and share analysis findings without duplicate efforts. Together with the Lands Department of Hong Kong Government, Hong Kong URA commenced a pilot 3D intelligent map project in To Kwa Wan, which is an old district categorized by urban decay in Hong Kong. As you can see in the map, the buildings has been digitalized into 3D format based on drawings in the general building plans. Starting from building site, the 3D building block comprise building floor, unit, common area, wall and windows, finally inches and household layer. By deploying GIS technology in our GRIS, spatial data now gives us the essential information in the form of digital twins. That is a replica of the complex urban environments of Hong Kong, enable Hong Kong URA to make faster decisions with high precision. Besides, to meet our business needs, we have developed 4 applications covering building rehabilitation cost estimations, matching of supply and demand of rehousing, social impact assessment, and property transaction in these 3D iMap projects. The development of these applications enlightens stakeholders including the general public the use of 3D spatial model and data. Now, let us use 3D Property Transaction Explorer as an example to show you how this application facilitates our daily works. While pre-existing search engines offer 2D displays of property transactions that satisfy basic requirements, such as displaying unit rate of the transaction in a building block, a 3D visualization does more to help users conduct more sophisticated analysis by finding unit rate differences between floors and wheel classes more easily. This is why 3D Property Transaction Explorer come into play. Under Hong Kong URA's acquisition policy for redevelopment projects, eligible owners of the affected properties in the old buildings receive a compensation amount equal to the unit rate of a replacement flat in a 7-year-old building of the same locality. As such, our teams usually has to prepare the ballpark figures for the assessment of a unit rate of the 7-year-old building. So, how can the 3D Transaction Explorers help us to do so? With 3D Property Transaction Explorer, users can search property transactions in detail by inputting criteria at the left panel based on their preferences. For instance, we can specify our target site by drawing a polygon in the target area. Then we can open the transaction detail plate to see more preset criteria. For instance, for recent transactions, we can set the default of recent 3-month transaction with residential usage. We can also input building age range from 1 to 10 years old. After inputting searching criteria, we can simply click the search button. Then the application will instantly show us the relevant transactions locations on the 3D map highlighted in yellow. At the right-hand side, we can see a table showing transaction information, such as address, price, and other details. By clicking the I View button at the table, we can also see the simulated view from a target flat using mesh model from the Hong Kong Lands Department. These functions allow us to check whether a flat enjoys a sea or building view. As all of you may know, the view is an important factor affecting its property value. Furthermore, other information like floor plan is also incorporated into the map, and we can view it just by clicking the plan button. What's more, the application can instantly show an adjusted unit rate of a 7-year-old building in the locality based on adjustments made on the transaction results as shown on the right. We can fine-tune the target criteria and magnitude panel to reset the adjustment details. For example, we want to change the flat size simply by entering 500 square feet. The application automatically calculates the new unit rate. If we want to change the magnitude of adjustment, just click magnitude. and we can change the percentage of adjustment accordingly. 3D Property Transaction Explorer has also incorporated the time factor to reflect the market changes of those transactions as the date of valuations. By incorporating Property Price Index API into the applications, users no longer need to look up time index from the public or private domain. This means that the adjusted rates has already reflected the market situations as the date of valuation set by the user. Finally, to facilitate further analysis, an export button is also available for users to download the search result in an Excel file. All in all, comparing with the conventional method, this application provides a one-stop platform for valuers like us to prepare a simple ballpark estimation with some adjustment factors in one go within 2 minutes. Going back in time without the URIs, it could take no less than 2 hours to gather transaction information and then manually formulate the transaction data sheet. From 2 hours to 2 minutes, this is a demonstration how URIs, a GIS map-based platform, help us to improve our work efficiency and effectiveness. Lastly, the digitalization journey of Hong Kong URAs continues. We know that there is always room for improvement of our 3D Property Transaction Explorer and other applications. We will keep on going. With advanced technologies and enhanced degree of data sharing, GIS technologies has promulgated further into real estate or property development sectors around the world. We hope that our showcase today can shed some light on how spatial analytics can enhance work efficiency substantially with you. Thank you.